Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to deliver multiple choice questions on Indian business environment. So let's start with question number 1. What are the important external factors that constitute the economic environment of business? Your options are A. Economic condition, B. Economic policy, C. Economic system, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 2. Microenvironment consists of A. Suppliers, B. Marketing, C. Competitors, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 3. Competitors, customers and public are part of A. Macroenvironment, B. Microenvironment, C. Business necessities, D. All of the above. And the answer is B. Microenvironment. Question number 4. Which among there is a factor affecting business environment? Your options are A. Value system, B. Human resources, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. And the correct answer is C, and that is both A and B. Question number 5. Dash environment is within the control of the business. A. Internal, B. External, C. Micro, D. Macro. And the answer is A. Internal. Question number 6. Dash environment is beyond the control of business. A. Internal, B. External, C. Micro, D. Macro. And the answer is B. External. Question number 7. Internal factors affecting a business environment also are referred to dash factors. A. Controllable, B. Uncontrollable, C. Relevant, D. Global. And the correct answer is A. Controllable. Question number 8. External factors affecting business environment also be referred to dash factors. A. Controllable, B. Uncontrollable, C. Relevant, D. Global. And the answer is B. Uncontrollable. Question number 9. In which of the following basic categories can business environment be divided? A. Local and regional, B. Regional and national, C. Internal and external, D. Financial and non-financial. And the correct answer is C. Internal and external. Question number 10. Which dash involves government rules and regulations? Option A. Political environment, B. Social environment, C. Legal environment, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Legal environment. Question number 11. Passing of Company Act 2013 is a component of which environment? Your options are A. Social environment, B. Legal environment, C. Political environment, D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Legal environment. Let's move on question number 12. Dash is the process of analyzing the environment for the identification of factors which have impact on or have implication for the business. Your options are A. Forecasting, B. Assessment, C. Scanning, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Scanning. Question number 13. Which policy is concerned with raising revenue through taxation and deciding on the level and pattern of expenditure? Option A. Monetary policy, B. fiscal policy, C. cash policy, D. none of these. And the answer is B. fiscal policy. Question number 14. Dash consists of economic conditions, economic policies, industrial policies and economic system. Your options are A. business environment, B. economic environment, C. natural environment, D. none of these. And the answer is B. economic environment. Let's move on question number 15. On which date did PM Narendra Modi address the Indian people announcing the demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000? Your options are A. on 6 November 2015, B. on 8 November 2017, C. on 8 November 2016, D. on 8 December 2016. And the correct answer is C. on 8 November 2016. Question number 16. The external environment of a business. Option A. physical, B. demographic, C. economic, D. all of these. And the correct answer is D. all of these. Question number 17. Dash refers to the external forces which have a bearing on the functioning of the business. Your options are A. environment, B. culture, C. system, D. none of these. And the correct answer is A. environment. Question number 18. These are the forces of environment that affect the performance of the company immediately. Your options are A. macro environment, B. micro environment, C. technological environment, D. natural environment. And the correct answer is A. macro environment. Question number 19. The economic environment of business includes A. economic system, B. economic policies, C. economic conditions, D. all of these. And the correct answer is D. all of these. Question number 20. A stable and dynamic political environment is indispensable for Option A. business growth, B. enhances the export, C. both A and B, D. none of these. And the answer is A. business growth. Question number 21. In the following, which internal factors influence the strategy and other decision in business? Your options are A. value system, B. mission and objective, C. management structure, D. all of the above. And the correct answer is D. all of the above. Thank you.